Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to edit unwanted things and photos. Here are the steps to edit or remove unwanted objects from photos on your Android phone using the Snapseed app, a free and beginner friendly tool by Google. First, unlock your Android phone. Enter your PIN, fingerprint, or pattern. Launch Snapseed app. Open the app from your home screen or app drawer. Tap Open and select your photo. Choose the photo with the unwanted object. Tap Tools at the bottom menu. This opens Snapseed's editing features. Tap on Healing Tool. This tool is used for removing unwanted objects. Zoom in on the unwanted object. Use two fingers to pinch and zoom for better accuracy. Gently brush over the unwanted area with your finger. Carefully cover the object you want to remove. Release your finger and let the tool work. The app will automatically blend the surrounding area. Repeat the process if necessary. You can undo by tapping the arrow to the left in the bottom panel and retry for better results. Tap the check mark to apply the changes. This confirms your edit. Now zoom out your picture. Tap Export, Save, or save a copy. Your edited photo will now be saved to your gallery. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.